In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the slime core fast here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the only way to get this is by actually going to Slime Island, because on Slime Island, what you need to go ahead and do is take out the Demon Lord boss. He's going to be right in the middle, just like so. If you go over to this Slime Summoner, of course, after completing the Slime quest, you'll be able to summon in the Demon Lord boss. Now, obviously, you do have to get the 7 slime pieces in order to do this, and then you use, some keys to spawn in the Demon Lord. You just got to repeat this process by killing this boss over and over and over again. It honestly is kind of a tedious process just because it is grinding, but everything in this game is grinding if we're just being real. So just kill the boss, respawn it, keep going. The drop rate is pretty low, so expect to do it multiple times. But to farm faster, I'd recommend obviously doing it on higher difficulties. But if you want to prioritize speed, because honestly, the more runs that you do, you could just keep it on that normal difficulty and you'll be good to go. Now, the slime core is mainly used for Ascension and the slime sword, so it is required for the late game process. So it's worth getting started on it as soon as possible. But that is the entire process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.